Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode for Wealth Builders. Today, we have an extraordinary topic to explore. We will dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it can be leveraged to build wealth. So grab your notepads and get ready to discover the best ways to utilize artificial intelligence for financial success. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding artificial intelligence. Before we delve into the applications of artificial intelligence, let's clarify what it actually means. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think, learn, and problem solve. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we can unlock tremendous opportunities to boost wealth-building strategies. Artificial intelligence encompasses various technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These technologies enable computers to analyze large volumes of data, detect patterns, and make informed decisions based on the available information. Number 2. Automated trading. One of the most compelling applications of artificial intelligence in wealth building is through automated trading systems. Artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including historical price patterns, market trends, news sentiment, and economic indicators. With this information, artificial intelligence can make swift investment decisions based on predetermined criteria. These systems can monitor market conditions in real time, execute trades, and optimize portfolios. By leveraging artificial intelligence ability to process information and make data-driven decisions, investors can potentially maximize their profits and reduce risks associated with emotional decision-making. Number 3. Personalized financial advice. Another significant aspect of artificial intelligence is its capacity to provide personalized financial advice. Artificial intelligence-powered robo-advisors can assess an individual's financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals to create customized investment plans. These platforms leverage algorithms to analyze historical market data, identify asset allocation strategies, and make recommendations based on the user's profile. Robo-advisors offer convenience, affordability, and accessibility to a wider range of investors. By combining the convenience of technology with personalized advice, artificial intelligence empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions and achieve their wealth-building goals. Number 4. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics, enabled by artificial intelligence, has revolutionized the field of wealth building. By analyzing historical data, market trends, consumer behavior, and economic indicators, artificial intelligence algorithms can predict future market movements and identify profitable investment opportunities. Predictive analytics can help investors make informed decisions by providing insights into asset pricing, market cycles, and industry trends. Moreover, artificial intelligence can assist businesses in optimizing pricing strategies, improving customer acquisition, and enhancing operational efficiency. With predictive analytics, individuals and organizations can gain a competitive edge, leading to wealth accumulation. Number 5. Real estate and property investments. Artificial intelligence has also made significant strides in the real estate sector. Artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze extensive data sets, such as property values, market conditions, rental rates, and demographic trends. These algorithms can help investors make informed decisions about property investments. Artificial intelligence-powered tools can identify undervalued properties, forecast rental income, and calculate potential returns. By leveraging artificial intelligence in real estate, individuals can identify lucrative investment opportunities, mitigate risks, and build wealth through property investments. Artificial intelligence can also facilitate property management by automating tasks such as tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance scheduling. Number 6. Wealth management and financial planning. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize wealth management and financial planning. With the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of financial data, artificial intelligence-powered tools can optimize investment portfolios, rebalance assets, and provide real-time insights on market conditions. Artificial intelligence can help individuals track their expenses, set realistic financial goals, and develop personalized savings and investment strategies. Moreover, artificial intelligence-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant answers to financial queries, offer budgeting tips, and assist with financial decision-making. By incorporating artificial intelligence into wealth management and financial planning, individuals can have access to sophisticated tools and strategies that were once only available to high net worth individuals and institutions. Number 7. Risk management and fraud detection. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in risk management and fraud detection. Artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze patterns, anomalies, and deviations from normal behavior in financial transactions and identify potential fraudulent activities. By leveraging artificial intelligence's ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, financial institutions can detect and prevent fraudulent transactions more effectively. Additionally, artificial intelligence can assist in risk assessment and management by analyzing historical data, market conditions, and economic indicators to identify potential risks and develop risk mitigation strategies. By incorporating artificial intelligence into risk management practices, individuals and organizations can safeguard their wealth and investments. Number 8. Entrepreneurship and business growth. Artificial intelligence offers numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses to accelerate growth and wealth creation. Artificial intelligence-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and enhance productivity. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by artificial intelligence can improve customer service, personalize interactions, and increase customer satisfaction. Furthermore, artificial intelligence can analyze market trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies to provide valuable insights for developing new products and services. By leveraging artificial intelligence in entrepreneurship and business growth, individuals can drive innovation, seize opportunities, and create sustainable wealth through successful ventures. As we conclude today's episode, we have explored some of the best ways to use artificial intelligence for building wealth. From automated trading and personalized financial advice to predictive analytics, real estate investments, wealth management, risk management, and entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence offers a multitude of opportunities for individuals and organizations to maximize their financial success. However, it's important to remain vigilant, stay informed, and ensure responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence. By embracing the power of artificial intelligence and integrating it into wealth-building strategies, you can embark on a journey to financial success. That's all for today's episode for Wealth Builders. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future episodes. Until next time, keep building wealth and harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Take care and goodbye.